Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to recover CashNow account. Start by opening the official CashNow website on your mobile phone or your computer. Make sure you are on the correct and secure website before you continue. Once the page fully loads, scroll down slowly to the very bottom of the homepage. At the footer section, look for the option labeled Contact Us and click on it. After clicking, a new page will open where you will see different ways to get help. The first and easiest option is to submit a request directly from this page. You will see a form asking for basic details. Enter your full name, your email address, and your phone number carefully. In the message box, clearly write that you need help with account recovery. Try to include any important details that can help them identify your account faster. Once everything is filled in, submit the form. After that, wait for their support team to contact you either through your phone number or your email. Another method is to use their social media platforms. On the same Contact Us page, you will find links to their official profiles. Click on the icons for Facebook, Instagram, or X. Once you are on their page, you can send them a direct message explaining your account recovery issue. The last method is through email. Scroll down again until you find their support email address, which is help.cashnow@quantix.ae. Open your email app, compose a message, and explain your issue clearly. Then send it and wait for their response. Thanks for watching.